Once you've set up your event, click on Checkout Form under the Settings section on the left-hand side menu. You'll need to decide if you want your terms and conditions to be part of the checkout process for just this one event, or for all events under your Ticket Tailor box office, if you have multiple events. Click Add Buyer Only Question, then select Terms and Conditions Agreement from the drop-down menu under What kind of response do you want? Adjust the question or statement your ticket buyers will have to agree to, and use the editor to add your terms and conditions or refund policy. You can click Expand Terms so that the full policy will appear on your checkout form without the buyer needing to expand them manually. Click Save Custom Question to finish your changes.